So this double bass pedal was sent out for review. We're going to take a look at it. So this is what comes in the box. You get the left pedal, the right pedal. You get this attachment here, 2 of these, and then this like drum key. On the bottom of the pedal, you have the ability to tighten this, and you'll have spikes in the bottom. So if you don't want it sliding around, you could adjust that. So you'll insert this into here, and you just tighten it up with a key. You'll insert the other one as well and tighten it up. You want to do your best to line these up. Now this bar here, you could adjust this here and extend it out if you want, but these right here will go onto here. You'll just tighten that up, and then this one will connect over to this one. Once they're tightened up, this is what it should look like. And again, you could adjust the distance if you need to. So I extended this out just a little bit. All you gotta do is unloosen this though, and I placed that piece on the drum, tightened it up. And you have 1 kick drum, but you want the sound of 2. I'll give you an example with the snare. So it takes a little practice to get used to something like this, but it's very versatile. The chain and all seems pretty durable. You just have to kind of adjust it to your liking.